Hello friends, this lecture is also available in the Urdu and Hindi language. If you want to watch in the Urdu and Hindi language, you can take the link in the description of this video. Today our topic is why and how to use data register D and its type in Mr. Bushy PLC. This is a lecture number 12 and don't forget to subscribe our channel and also like and share our video with your friends. First question is why we use data register. There are three answers. To store 60-bit 32-bit data in data register, to move data from one memory location to another location, and last one is to communication between other devices. Okay, types. They have three types of a data register. First one is general data register, second is tentative latch data register, and special data register. First one is general data register. During operation, if PLC lose its power, this general data register lose its current stored value. But in case of retentive latch data register, during operation, if PLC lose its power, this latch data register will not lose its stored current value. Okay, the difference between general and latch data register is general will be lose its value when PLC disconnecting from power, but in case of latch data register, if PLC lose its power, this latch data register will not lose its stored current value. Both are same, but difference is it will not lose its value. It will lose its value when power disconnected from PLC. As special data register. Special data register, PLC designer already store a function in it. A programmer cannot change its function but can use it in programming. For example, time data register. This is the FX series operation manual, and you can see here type of the data register: general type, latched, special. General type has 200 points. It's range from D0 to D199. This is a latched and changeable. Changeable means the setting can be changed between latched type and non-latched type using parameter. This is a changeable. We can use is latch or non-latch by using some parameter. But these are fixed. These are fixed, and these are changeable. Okay. Special it start from 8000 to 8511. Total 512. This is the special. You can see here. We will take D0 as the general and D200 as a latched in our software in this lecture. You can see here is a clock data register 8000, 15, 14 and 13 is hour, is minute, is second data register. Hour data, minute data and second data. And other one is month data, date data, year data. You can use as per your logic in programming. So let's come on software and generate a new project. PLC is FX CPU and the PLC type is FX3U. Language is ladder diagram. So we will use three data register: general, latch and special in this project for your understanding. First one X01 I will take as the input, and will use move command and will move K100 value to our general data D0. Okay, and insert a row. Move command and same K100 value will be moved D200 is a latched. Okay, and I also take special time data register. So we'll use move command, and D8015 is our data register. So I will move into D1. Same move command, and D0 8014 is a minute data register. And last one is second time data register. We'll use move command, move, and D0113, sorry, 8013, and D3. Okay, so this one is D0 is general, and D200 is latched, and D8015, 14, 13 is minute, sorry, hour, minute as second data register, and these are also general data register. Compile the program and simulate the program. And you can see here on special data register, time data register, this is the hour. You can see the time 10:23 time. So 10 is hour, 24 is minutes, and 5, 6, 7 is second. Okay, this is a special data register. A programmer can use it but cannot change its function. Okay, now I will on my input. You can see K100 moved to D0, D200, and this all data is stored in D1, D2, and D. This also general data register, D0 also, but D200 is last. So I will stop my PLC. You can see here this D0, D1, D2 and D3 will lose its value because these are general. You can see when I stop my PLC, these are 0, but only D200 has a value of current value, sorry, previous value. And again run the PLC, and you can see only D200 have 100 value. And again I on my input. Okay, this has value, but stop the PLC and again to run the PLC, just last data register has value and other one has no value. Okay, these are different between general, latch and special. Okay, there are a lot of special data register for using other purpose like communications. Okay, this is also other input filter adjustment. Okay, analog variable potentiometer, FX3G is a value. Okay, these are unavailable, these are not available in this series. Okay, if you have any question regarding this topic, you can raise a question in comment box. Our team will be give you answer as soon as possible. Bye.